Are you experiencing issues with your dishwasher not cleaning properly? Here are some simple tips to ensure your dishwasher is working efficiently and effectively. To begin, make sure you're using the cycle that best works for the soil level of your dishes. High temp or sanitize options work by increasing the water temperature, helping to remove food, grease, and other soils from your dishes more effectively. Loading your dishwasher properly can make all the difference. Large items should be placed away from the detergent dispenser so they don't prevent it from opening. Because the spray arms need to spin, keep taller items and handles clear of the arms. Avoid overloading the silverware compartments and make sure the utensils aren't nested. They need their space so water can properly reach them. Some models are equipped with a third-level cutlery tray. Loading cutlery on the tray using the suggested loading path, big cutlery in the middle, standard on the side with handles placed inwards, guarantees optimal performance. Interested in more information on how to properly load your dishwasher? Refer to your use and care manual for upper and lower rack loading recommendations. Next, check to make sure your home's water heater is set to at least 120 degrees Fahrenheit. And to ensure a next-level clean, try running hot water at the kitchen sink prior to starting your dishwasher. For those using a powdered detergent, make sure it's fresh to avoid over-sudsing. If using detergent tablets or packets, use only one and place it in the dispenser. For optimal cleaning, use a rinse aid. This causes water to sheet off for spot-free results. Your dishwasher may have a cylinder fine filter which is designed to collect big items such as broken glass, bones, and pits. Check to ensure it's clean to maximize the wash performance. Don't forget to check the spray armholes for clogging and clean if necessary. We hope these tips help optimize your dishwasher's cleaning performance to be more effortless, effective, and efficient every time. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.